When I was starting out producing, one thing I really always wondered is how people do vocal chops and stuff like that. Like how going from one, like the original sample to some really cool chopped like vocal, and what's in between there. So here's what it looks like for LoveNet. Let me find the original. Here's the original sample.
You're here with me, yeah.
It's not that long. It's pretty short. And that's all there is to it. And that's all I was working with here.
You're here with me, yeah.
And here's what I did with it. So here's my vocal group. So there's the main vocal track. This one. I mean, it's pitched up and just chopped, basically. You can see the part that I chopped. It's really just that part, and then like there's these little accents. So in context, it's pretty hard to hear. There's also this one. That one I loaded into a sampler so I could actually pitch it according to notes. That's just what I heard in my kind of head when I was listening to this, or when I was just working on this. That's what that part looks like. So it's a lot of different tracks is how I do it. Like the main track, then like an accent kind of track, and then maybe another accent track. It really just depends. Yeah. Sometimes I use samplers, but sometimes it's just easier to load the audio in and then just manually set the pitch setting. Yeah, and then it goes into this part, which is a bit different. Oops. Right, so that's when this melody comes in. This melody comes in, and I'm only taking this final syllable from the end of the sample. I think I actually have the whole thing here. Yeah, so like it's kind of impossible to. It's hard to really hear. I don't know. Yeah, this is pitched up a lot. Like maybe. Right. So that's kind of what it sounds like. But I'm just using that final end, that really just final end of that vocal. Yeah. What else? Oh. So then, just sampling out that last kind of flourish into a separate track. My time's running out. I've got 55 seconds left. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just pitching it around, like, yeah, actually in a sampler to actually do the melody, of course. A lot of reverb, a lot of echo. In my final 30 seconds of this video, the intro has a pitched down one. Oops. Yeah, that's just like pitched down an octave or something like that, so. Yeah, that's how I did the hardwave style vocals for LoveNet.